they just see this. So it's just very coincidence, you know. So I thought I'm gonna stop by because I miss this area.
Yes.
And it's so amazing, the swans.
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh, I like the different color. You know this.
No, these are the young. See the ones with like the brownie feathers? They're young. They're baby ones.
Yeah, that one.
They're the shears. They're young ones.
Okay.
And this one here, he's even younger. The darker they are, the younger they are.
Really? I thought they look amazing with this. The darker. Oh, look at that. You live around here, ma'am?
Chertsey.
Oh, Chertsey.
Yeah.
They're so noisy.
Yeah.
Usually more than this here.
They're happy.
Usually more than this.
A lot of them are up the Staines, I think. From Chertsey, you can cycle from Chertsey all along over the other side into Staines if you want to.
Yeah, but
All those there with that brown wing, see that brown in it?
that brown one is a baby?
They're all this year's babies.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
Just
look at
getting their
this.
feathers now, not the white.
I like this one, that one with this one coming towards me, that one.
Named them Sydney.
And there's different types of swans as well. Buick swans and different
Why they
types.
have different? The other one have red beak. You know, the beak is colored.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And some are male and female. See, some are tagged. He's got a tag on him.
Yes.
And then they keep an eye where they come from and where they're going. And see, look at those two doing that when they.
What is that black bird in there? It's just out of place, that little bird. It's a coots.
Okay.
You know, the little
Oh,
black-
moorhens. Moorhens.
More in
They're really noisy. Look at this. No more food now, Ducky.
He was old late, look.
Yeah.
Oh, really? This one.
Yeah, he's old very late.
Sometimes they don't survive because foxes and things, you know, eat the chicks and that, so they don't always survive. But I think they do here. There's quite a lot of young.
They look
Quite a lot of
amazing.
young. Yeah, he's getting all his white feathers into
Here's another
adulthood.
thing.
This one here,
Yeah,
next to me.
Late, look.
yeah, yeah.
Ah,
This
yeah.
one's
Ah,
getting
there's
his
two
adult
here. Are
feathers.
so dark feather.
Yeah,
So they are babies. The
See-
white
see
one
the
are
white
old
one,
one.
That's the new feathers coming.
yeah.
They're adult feathers.
Okay. Yeah, it look baby,
This
that
one,
one.
look, he's hardly got any on his back. See him?
Yeah.
He's a late comer.
What?
But once they get that age, they don't want to know. They push them away.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
That's-
They only look after them while they're young, you know. Can't defend themselves. Once they get that age, they shush them off.
It's really nice to see this.
It's lovely, yes. We enjoy it. Yes.
That river's flowing fast, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at this.
If you fell in there, you'd be down there and be concrete there.
I'm filming them. Oh, look at that. So amazing birds. And what are these? Look at these little pigeons.
You feed out your aid, they will.
You feed them too? Did you feed them too? Look at this. I'd like one to see this. Hello, birdie. Oh. Oops. Hello. Bye. Nice talking to you. Oh, look at this. Another pigeon is sleeping. Oh, around. Hello, hello. Hello, birdie. Oops. I'm about 1 foot away from these pigeons. Hello, pigeon. Hello. Hello, bird. Hello, birds. It's nice. I'm only 2 foot away from these birds. They are so amazing pigeons. I want to touch them, but I think we're not allowed to touch them. Hello. Hello, bird. Hello, hello. I really fascinated with these two pigeon together. It didn't fly away. It's gonna. Hello. The cuckooing. Hello. Hello. Ah! I just want to touch them. Hello. 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 Oh, this beautiful colored one. Goodbye, swans. Hello. Oh, oh, this is amazing, this too. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. It's amazing creatures. Bye for now. Thank you.